Today, we're diving into the latest leaks about Samsung's Galaxy S25 series marketing material. With the official launch just around the corner, there's so much to unpack about these exciting new devices. By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 in additional savings, and a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. Now let's jump into what's been revealed. The marketing materials for the Galaxy S25 series have given us a sneak peek into what Samsung has in store for its flagship lineup. The renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra showcase it in 4 stunning color options, giving potential buyers plenty of choices to match their style. According to these leaks, Samsung is putting a big focus on their Galaxy AI features, which will be free to use through 2025, though you'll need a Samsung account to access them. These AI features seem to be a cornerstone of the S25 experience, offering tools like daily news briefings. These updates include the latest weather, curated top stories, and more, delivered twice daily, once in the morning and again in the evening. As Samsung puts it, stay in the know on the go with a phone that gives you the info you need before you even know you need it. One of the standout features promoted is the Night Video with Audio Eraser. This AI-powered tool helps you shoot vibrant low-light videos while eliminating both video noise and audio noise. Video noise refers to the grainy look you often see in low-light footage, while audio noise removes unwanted background sounds, ensuring your recordings are clear and professional. The leaked materials also highlight the Galaxy S25 series front-facing selfie cameras, which promise to capture natural skin tones and realistic textures. This ensures your selfies look stunningly authentic no matter the lighting conditions. Moving on to the specs, the Galaxy S25 has a 6.2-inch screen. The Galaxy S25 Plus comes in at 6.7 inches, and the flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a massive 6.9-inch display. When it comes to camera capabilities, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus each feature a 50-megapixel main camera, while the S25 Ultra steals the show with a 200-megapixel main camera. If you're serious about photography, the Ultra is clearly the model to beat. Battery life varies across the lineup. The Galaxy S25 is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. The Galaxy S25 Plus comes with a 4900 mAh cell. And the Galaxy S25 Ultra includes a robust 5000 mAh battery. Of course, we can't forget the S Pen, which is exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This iconic accessory is a must-have for creatives and professionals alike, adding a layer of functionality you won't find in the other models. Samsung is also heavily promoting its Smart Switch feature, which makes transferring data like photos, videos, apps, and even conversations to a new phone both quick and secure. If you're upgrading from an older device, Smart Switch ensures a smooth transition without any headaches. Additionally, the marketing materials showcase the Samsung Digital Wallet, a convenient way to store credit cards, boarding passes, hotel room keys, and more, all on your phone. It's a perfect example of how Samsung is making life simpler and more connected for its users. With less than 2 days to go until the official unveiling, the excitement is palpable. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a game-changer in the smartphone world, offering everything from cutting-edge AI features to top-tier hardware. If you're planning to upgrade your phone, the Galaxy S25 series has something for everyone. And remember, if you reserve yours today, you stand to benefit from incredible deals and the chance to win amazing Samsung credit rewards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest tech news. See you with the next one. Stay tuned for more updates and let us know in the comments which Galaxy S25 model you're most excited about.